Hey, furballs, it's your boy Red, back to shove some knowledge down your throats. This time, we're diving into the wonderful world of AI and sports. Strap in, because this one's a doozy. So here's the deal. NBC's brainy minions are resurrecting legendary sportscaster Al Michaels. But don't go digging up graves just yet. They're doing it with AI. Yeah, you heard me. An AI version of Al Michaels is going to be delivering personalized Olympic recaps on Peacock. It's like Madden, but instead of EA Sports, it's in the game. You get NBC Sports. It's slightly less weird because it's real life. The magic kicks off with your daily Olympic recap on the Peacock app. You punch in your name, pick 3 sports you give a crap about, and up to 2 types of highlights like top competition or viral and trending moments. Then every morning, you get a rundown from AI Al. Now, NBC's got their nerd herd making sure this AI doesn't churn out complete garbage. Everything gets the once-over by NBCU editors to check for quality and accuracy. Yeah, good luck with that. AI likes to hallucinate, trust me. So, how does this Frankenstein's monster of sportscasting work? Glad you asked. NBC's in-house hunting party, engineers, product managers, data scientists, cooked up a proprietary process. They mashed up large language models and voice synthesis tech just to give you the illusion that Al Michaels is still grinding away, recapping your favorite Olympic moments. But the real test, it'll be churning out 7 million, million, personalized clips during the Paris Games, each clip crossing dozens of sports, each with its own jargon. I'm expecting at least one screw-up involving a javelin throw and a gymnast. Make sure to catch these recaps on supported browsers and the iOS and iPadOS apps starting July 27th. Android users? Yeah, NBC's keeping you in the dark. The first edition features highlights from the opening ceremony, and your customized Al Mitchbot recap starts on July 28th. Later, nerds, stay smart or at least try not to get dumber. So, there you have it. AI Al Michaels bringing you Olympic highlights like an overly eager, slightly glitchy, sports-loving ghost. And remember, it's all thanks to NBCUniversal's love affair with tech. Until next time, keep your brain from melting down as you watch. And if you want to watch more, the algorithm thinks you will enjoy this video.